Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. What I want to do today is get you guys some clips from my Blaze intake. As you guys know, I installed the Blaze Performance version 2 intake on my Audi S3, and honestly, it's been nothing but amazing. It sounds really good. The car feels better. It feels like the car just breathes better overall. And honestly, if you have a hybrid turbo setup, a big turbo setup, whatever the case is, I highly recommend this intake for you guys. As you guys saw in my last video, I did go to the drag strip and I was able to run a 10-second pass, and I feel like really the intake had a lot to do with it just because of how improved the car feels and how the car runs with that intake on it. And I've had a lot of people hit me up, sending DMs in my comments wanting to know more about the intake because not a lot of people are running it at the moment. It's a fairly new intake that's come out for this platform, and a lot of people want to know if they should make the switch to it and if it's beneficial to them. My opinion is if you have a stock turbo, an IS-20 or an IS-38, I think it is a little bit overkill because of the way the intake is set up. But if you're running, again, some sort of hybrid or full frame big turbo setup, then I highly suggest probably making this your choice, because there's been multiple data logs that have been sent across the board with multiple tuners that show that this intake is doing a lot better than any other option on the market at the moment when you are running those specific kind of turbos. So what I'm going to be doing today is, as you can see, I have my GoPro right here. I have a mic with a hard wire all the way, as you can see right here, all the way to my engine bay, so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like. And honestly, it sounds ridiculous. I'm gonna get all different kinds of clips of what the intake sounds like, and let's get into it so you guys can see how amazing this thing sounds. I wanted to show you guys the intake before actually going out on a drive to show you how massive this is. You guys have seen this already if you've seen my install video of this intake, but it barely clears everything. As you can see, I mean, super tight fit, but this thing sounds incredible and it's massive. I literally could fit my entire fist, probably 2 fists, inside of this filter right here. It is insane. It sounds incredible, and definitely the car feels peppier and it feels a lot better than any other system that I've ran. So just wanted to give you guys a look before we go out on a drive. But again, this thing is awesome and it looks fantastic.